If HoloEN had a roast session like they did in the celebs, like they did the celebs back in the day, who do you think would be the best roaster and the easiest roastee? Probably. It's hard to tell. I feel like I will be the one roasted a lot. Maybe. I mean, I'm an easy target because they can just be like, "Oh, Ina, you're flat." You'll be like, "Oh, okay." I mean, I think Ame could roast people, but at the same time, deep down, she's a very nice girl. So who knows? If anything, if Callie, she goes for that, you know, the diss track, then Callie probably will do a good job. Deep down. Don't think about it too much. Yeah, I'd be the worst at roasting people if I'm being honest. I can roast chat, but I can't roast my friends. They're not coffee beans. Only thing I'll roast is coffee beans.